In today's video, I would like to show how to enter the 1/2, 1/4, and 3/4 characters, I guess you would call them, using Microsoft Windows applications. And in this case, obviously, we're going to use StampManage. So let's say you want to change the denomination of a particular stamp from 6 cents to 6.5 cents. You just place the mouse cursor there, and then what you're going to do now is you're going to hold down the Alt key and select 0189. And as you can see, as soon as I finished typing in Alt 0189, 1/2 was entered, and so I can accept that. Now, how can I add 1/4 and 3/4? So for 1/4, it's very similar. You just type in Alt 0188, and let's say it was by 12 3/4. Just type in Alt 0190, and there you go. So you've got the three combinations. 1/2 is Alt 0189, 1/4 is Alt 0188, and 3/4 is Alt 0190. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.